Well, bonjour everyone. Learn French with AT Khoj. So here we move to learn 11 to 20. Are you ready? So here we go to have that. Onze, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Again I'm going to repeat. Take it once again. Listen it carefully. Repeat it after moi. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Okay? So you have to practice. If you like to be very fluent in it, like also stress kato kin say this and this with this nothing. Want this grace, want this flow, you have to practice. Okay? So, well, it's quite easy. Like first three, like 11, 12, 13. It's quite easy. It's there, you can just find the rhythm. How? Like 11, 12, 13. You could also sing it. 11, 12, 13. Okay? Now, 14, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15. 6. So here also, here again, you get some relation, you get some rhythm. 14, 15, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 6. Right? Okay. Now another 3. These, remember? 10. Good. Bravo. What was 7? 7. The set, this week, 10, 8. This week, 10, 9. This snuff, 1. 1. You have to produce the nasal sound. I mean, you have 1, 1, 1. Try it. It's quite easy. Okay, so let's repeat the numbers. So remember, I have divided the numbers in 3 rhythmic groups. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Now, we are going to repeat it once again. Right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1. Would you like to try it? Please. Very nice. Trivia. So, as you have spoken these 11 to 20 numbers, I hope that you found it very easy. Like after getting that rhythm and divide it into 3 different parts, you might have found it quite easy to express and understand and speak. Hope so. Okay. So now try to speak it like also stress. Because you can say this is the sweetest of it. Ah. Okay. Try it. Keep practicing and you'll get that. Did you practice to be master in 1 to 10? Yes. So 1 to 10. Can you speak it fluently? Try it once. Good. Bravo. Très bien. On to casting 6 with naftis. Great. Now combine this 1 to 20. Right? On to casting 6 with naftis. On to 3 katokin say this with this naf. Right? So, dear, there is no other way than to practice. So, if you practice, you'll get it. So, as we have already learned the numbers 1 to 20, right? So, 1 to 20 already we have learned, and here, at the end of this session, I would like to, make you revise 1 to 20. So, well, I'm going to display some numbers and that you have to recognize. Here we go. With ons, trois, quinze, 15, 1, 17, 2, 14, 19, 10. Bravo. Now, I'm going to speak the numbers or showing you the numbers in arithmetic digit. Okay? And you have to, well, I know it's very, very, very difficult for you. Right? But though, I wish that you should at least try. So are you ready? So here we go. 8 wheat. Okay. 19. Good. This now. 14. 14. 7. 20. 1. 3. 2. Well done. Clap for yourself because you actually tried. You tried very hard and you did a very difficult job. Well, I wish you'll practice it and you'll speak it live. Also, vakasing si sadvit na this. Also, states kata can say this and this not way. I'll try to speak like this. You would like to listen it once again? Here we go. Also, the vakasing si sadvit na this. On the straits kata can say this and this week this now. Wow. So, it was the number and the way I speak try to be, and then you are going to enjoy these numbers 1 to 20. Okay, so I believe like it's good enough. We have done good enough and keep speaking. And in our next lecture, we are going to learn weekdays in French. Okay, so watch our next video. Au revoir.